This is Driving with the Miles. I'm a state certified instructor. I teach teens and adults. Today I'm going to discuss how to do three-point turns. Who needs this? Beginning drivers, drivers less than 10 years. If you're getting ready to take your DMV test or road test, you need this. Let's go ahead and get it. Okay, so I put my car in drive. I'm coming up slowly. I want to back into this driveway to the right. This is the inside view of my hands. So I'll go a little bit past the driveway. I turn on my right turn signal. My car is in reverse. I turn my wheel all the way to the right. The rear goes in. I'm looking over my right shoulder. The rear goes into the right. The front swings out to the left. You as a beginning driver need to know where your front and rear are going. I turn back hand over hand. I look out of my back window and I back up, and then that's good. Then I put it in park. So next I'm going to go out and then make a left turn. So I put it in drive. It is in drive. I look left and right. I roll straight down. And then I turn hand over hand to the right. Again, your foot needs to be on the brake. So then I'm rolling out. And I'm gonna back in this driveway to my right. I put it in reverse. I turn hand over hand to the right. I'm looking over my right shoulder. And I'm smiling because this is really gonna be a good park. I'm checking my mirrors. I look, I turn back hand over hand. And because I'm smiling, this is a really good three-point turnaround. You put it in park. If this is a busy street or alleyway, we are the secondary road and the main road has the right of way. So I'm gonna signal my intention. I look left, I look right, and then I roll down. I'm gonna roll forward, halfway into the intersection, then I turn my wheels, I gently press the gas. So then I roll out. I wanna back in this driveway on the right. I roll up. You have to make sure your car is straight. I put it in reverse, I roll straight back, I turn my wheels all the way to the right. I'm smiling again because this is gonna be another great three-point turnaround. So I turn back, I turn hand over hand, I roll up, and then I'm looking, I'm checking. This is a good three-point turn. And then I put it in park, I look left and right, then I'm gonna finish my turn. I look left, I look right, then I roll down. Again, I'm looking where I wanna go. You have to look where you wanna go. So then I roll down, there it is. So now I wanna back in this driveway up to the right. You have to go past the driveway a little bit. You cover your brake. Then you put it in reverse. You turn your wheels all the way to the right. I'm looking over my right shoulder. I go in slow. I'm checking, my rear goes into the right. My front swings out to the left. I'm smiling again because this is another good parallel park. I go in slow, I cover my brake, I take my time. I'm smiling, cover your brake. We don't want to have any sudden acceleration situations. Then I put it in drive, I roll out, I look left and right, my blinkers on, I look, I roll down. This is super important that you have great speed control. Basically, I'm just barely on the gas. I'm just at about 5 miles an hour. So then I roll up. Then I want to make a left turn in the driveway ahead of me. So I'm coming up, my car is centered, and then I turn hand over hand, and then I go up slowly, and then I turn out hand over hand, barely on the gas. So now I look, I check, I'm reversing. You need to look in all directions. No backup camera here, baby. You gotta look left and right. And then your foot's on the brake, you back up small. Always teach my students to back up small and always look. And then I turn back hand over hand. Then I'm gonna make a right turn in the driveway coming up. My foot's on the brake. Halfway into the turn, then you want to turn hand over hand, looking where you want to go. You can see my eyes looking where I want to go. I'm not looking at the steering wheel. I'm not looking at my blinker. I'm in the driveway. Then I put it in park. That's a really good feeling. Now I'm going to put it in reverse. I'm going to roll back. I'm looking out of my back window. I look left, I look right, I look, then I turn hand over hand. If I want to go out to the opposite direction, the rear goes to the left, the front goes out to the right. Then I turn back hand over hand. Then I'm gonna make a right turn in this driveway. I cover my brake. I wanna be on the right side of the driveway. And then I turn back hand over hand. So let's kind of review. I'm a state certified instructor. I teach teens and adults. I have over 21 years of experience. Who needs this? Teens, adults, someone taking their DMV test or road test. I do have a premiere coming up in the next 24 hours. If you haven't subscribed, you need to subscribe. You need to be looking at my other content. I wanna say thank you. Please share, please like. I appreciate you.